Welcome to the Auto Drive X. The 2026 Kia PV5 Passenger is one of the most exciting new electric MPVs to hit the market, combining futuristic styling with practicality and advanced technology. From the very first glance, the front design makes a bold statement. Kia's signature digital tiger nose grille is reimagined with illuminated details, giving it a high-tech futuristic vibe. Slim LED headlights with sharp linear signatures flow seamlessly into the grille, creating a sleek, modern look. The glossy black finish enhances the premium feel, while the sculpted bumper with metallic accents and a silver skid plate bring in a sporty edge. It's a design that balances aerodynamics, elegance, and innovation, setting the PV5 apart from other family MPVs. From the side, the PV5 Passenger keeps things smooth and futuristic. The body lines are clean and aerodynamic, with flush-mounted door handles and a panoramic roof that stretches across the top. The futuristic alloy wheels not only look stylish but also improve airflow for efficiency. Moving to the back, you get a full-width LED light bar that runs across the tailgate, with the illuminated Kia badge right in the center. The sculpted rear bumper features silver skid plate accents, blending durability with style. Altogether, the PV5 has a modern electric identity that feels sharp, upscale, and very forward-looking. Step inside, and the PV5 really shows what next-gen design is about. The cabin is spacious, minimalistic, and premium. High-quality leather seating, metallic trim, and a lounge-like layout make it comfortable for both daily commutes and long drives. Front and center is a massive curved digital display that combines the gauge cluster and infotainment system in one clean panel. The futuristic two-spoke steering wheel with an illuminated Kia logo adds a stylish touch, while touch-sensitive controls keep the dashboard clean and modern. Ambient LED lighting runs across the dash and doors, giving the interior a high-end vibe. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, making it feel even more open, while versatile seating layouts add plenty of practicality for families or business travelers. When it comes to performance, the PV5 is built on Kia's next-general EV platform, delivering smooth, efficient, and quiet driving. With advanced battery technology and fast charging support, it's designed to handle both city life and long-distance trips with ease. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, improves handling and stability, making the drive feel controlled and confident. While Kia hasn't released full specs yet, early reports suggest competitive range and charging times, positioning it as a reliable EV option. As for pricing, the Kia PV5 Passenger is expected to launch in the $35,000 to $40,000 range for the base version, with higher trims offering more advanced features at a higher price point. Considering its futuristic design, premium interior, and advanced EV tech, it's a strong value for anyone looking at electric MPVs. The 2026 Kia PV5 Passenger isn't just another people mover, it's a vision of the future, where style, innovation, and sustainability come together in one sleek package.